In today's episode, we'll show you how to do a quick salon quality design on a natural plate, perfect for the summer. Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today's episode features a design on a natural nail plate using holiday shades. It will be summery, simple, quick, and cute. Let's get started. To create today's manicure, we'll use gel polishes in Ice Dream, Miss Sunday, and Petarda, mineral base in Sophisticated, a shimmery top coat, Top Ciuszek, and super matte top coat. We'll need nail art brushes, ombre, and Master Nail Art 006. What will also come in handy is Art Brillante Black Poison, Purple Cleaner, Acid-Free Primer, and a dotting tool. Summer is a time when a lot of our clients like to go crazy with their nails. That's why neons and pastels hold the reign. The most common patterns are typical holiday themes like seashells, anchors, and other fun things like animal prints and fruits. You know, the whole summer shebang. But there are clients who don't really like that kind of thing as it doesn't match their aesthetic. Which is why we came up with today's quick and simple, yet not that obvious ornament. We prepped our model's nails off camera, removed the cuticles, and buffed the nail plate. Now we dehydrate the nail with a pad soaked in purple cleaner and apply acid-free primer. We apply a thin layer of the primer as if it was a regular nail polish. Then we apply some mineral base in Sophisticated. We spread the first layer thinly and secure the free edge, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We create an overlay by applying a larger amount of product in the center of the nail, push the product gently towards the cuticles, and spread the rest around the entire surface. We use the Master Nail Art 006 brush to even out the light line, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. If you struggle to make your gel polish stylings last, check out our episode entitled 13 Mistakes in Gel Polish Manicure. It is an episode worth watching not just once, but once in a while to ensure you know how to avoid all of the listed errors and make your gel designs truly durable. We cover the entire nail with the shimmery Top Ciuszek top coat and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. On the nail art palette, we place a drop of the Ice Dream, Miss Sunday, and Petarda gel polishes. We dip the ombre brush in the ice cream shade, and using a gentle motion, we paint some stripes onto the surface of the nail, slightly lifting the brush at the end of each stroke. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We create a visual effect of brush strokes as if we were painting on a wall, strong and defined on one end and lightly jagged on the other. We clean the brush against a dry wipe and pick up some Petarda shade from the palette. We apply the color onto the nail from the outer edge towards the middle and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. When painting with a few colors using one brush, it's worth, or rather it's a must to clean it. If we don't do that, if we don't clean it against a dry pad or in a gel polish base coat, sooner or later it will contaminate other colors and we'll have to start the whole design all over again, wasting our very precious time. We pick up some Miss Sunday gel from the palette and paint the next brush stroke so that they slightly overlap with the previous ones. We cure the nail in the lamp for 30 seconds. While doing the manicure, we slightly cure each stage of the design so as to not smudge anything while we work. Once we're done, we cure it for as long as the given product requires. The information on the duration of curing in case of Indigo products is provided for a multi-LED lamp. Why am I mentioning this? If you're working with a different lamp, you need to double check the curing times, as it may happen that your equipment is weaker than our lamp, so curing will take a little bit longer. We cover the entire design with the super matte top coat and cure again in the lamp for 30 seconds. We place a drop of the Art Brillante Black Poison onto the nail art palette. We then dip our Master Nail Art 006 brush in it and paint a thin line which will be the base of our leaf motif. We start at the bottom and move upwards. Then we place some small dots close to the lines. There has to be a small gap between the dot and the stem as well as between the individual dots. We pull a thin line out of every dot, holding the brush vertically, and avoid putting too much pressure on the brush. We also pull a thin line from the other end of each dot to ensure our leaves have a pointy end. We don't rush, doing every step meticulously and with diligence. We cure the nail in the lamp for 30 seconds. Art Brillante is a range of hard nail art gels. The question is, can you work with them on a gel polish foundation? You can, but only ornamentally. If you were to use it as a base color, it would definitely crack. So you can only use it in small quantities to touch up or highlight a design. If you wanted to use this product as an all-over color because your client really loves the shade, it's not that simple. Firstly, you'd have to cover the nail with gel, acrylic powder or acrylic gel, and only then start the design. We paint another branch starting at the top of the nail. We drive 2 thin lines, which will be the foundation of our pattern, then we paint the leaves. We create the dots, then drive a line out of them on either end to ensure each leaf has a sharp point. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. To make the design more interesting, we pick up a small amount of Art Brillante black poison with a dotting tool and add some small dots here and there onto the nail, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. If you work with the Art Brillante range, you know they don't have a dispersion layer, which means we don't need to cover them with a top coat or wipe them with a cleaner. Pure pleasure and a nice surprise at the end of our work. That's right, that was Art Brillante, so we're done. Here is our summer manicure done on a natural nail plate. Such summery salon quality designs can be done in a flash. If you want to see more manicure ideas, there's plenty of places to look. For example, our Indigo Instagram account, where we have more than 461,000 followers. You can also visit our Indigo designers accounts. If you type in #Indigo Nails into the Instagram search bar, you'll find over 1.7 million photos to look at. That's quite a number. And that's all, you guys. We've been creating this huge Insta gallery together, and it's growing by the day. In case you didn't know, you can also find good inspiration in the Gallery tab on our website. What can I say? That is sadly the end of our episode. Let us know in the comments below what summertime designs are your clients' favorites this year. Thanks for watching. Bye.